Hello and welcome back to my English channel. Today we are going to learn some house cleaning verbs. So if you are ready, let's get started. The first verb, to wipe. To wipe means to clean or dry something by rubbing with a cloth, hand or paper. To wash. To wash. To clean with water and usually soap or detergents. To clean. To clean. To make something free from marks and dirt. To sweep. To sweep. To clean a floor or other surface by using a brush to collect the dirt into one place from which it can be removed. To hang. To hang means to suspend something from the top. To hoover. To hoover means to clean with a vacuum cleaner. To clean with a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is this item. To tidy. To tidy. To organize or to put something in its place. For example, here we have clothes in its place, it's organized. To mop. To mop. To clean something by soaking up water or liquid. To scrub. To scrub means to rub something. To rub something hard, usually with a brush like this, with a brush and water in order to clean it. To clear. To clear means to remove an unwanted item from somewhere. For example, here we have dirt, so this man wanted to remove this dirt from this place. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.